Hello, in today's video we will learn how to install Lifesmart integration inside Home Assistant. In this video we will learn how to request a new app key from Lifesmart website, and we will learn also how to install Vscode add-ons. We will learn how to install Hacs integration and Lifesmart integration. And we will learn also how to run Lifesmart tool and add the output from this tool to configuration.yaml. Finally, we will learn how to call send keys service for IR Blaster inside Home Assistant. Let's get started. The Lifesmart website is where we will start. You can find the URL in the video description. First, I will translate this page using my Lifesmart account to log in. We need to request the app key token, and it will take a few days to be approved. Let's request a new app key from my apps. I have made one already, so let's make a new one. We will fill in all the data, like names and regions, and you can upload icons. Finally, fill in company information. In my case, I will put none and John, and submit to review, and click sure. It will be under review for a few days, and it will change to normal use. Click the green one. You can see app key and app token. These tokens, it will be useful later in this video. I started a clean Home Assistant installation for us to start together. First thing, we should install Vscode from add-ons. Click Settings, Add-ons, type Vscode. Click Install. Now select Watchdog, Show in Sidebar, and start Vscode. Now Vscode is up and running. Now open Vscode and open new terminal. Install Hacs integration with this command. You should see custom components directory. And now create temp directory with this command. Change directory to temp directory. Now I will clone Lifesmart Home Assistant repository from my Github account with this command. And now change to Lifesmart Home Assistant directory. Then we will get all the requirements installed using pip command. Just run pip install r requirements. Now let's open the Lifesmart tool and add in your account email, password, app token, and app key. We can get app key from Lifesmart website. Go to my apps and details, copy the app key, and get the app token and click view, copy the app token and click are you sure, and paste it in the Lifesmart tool. Save the file by Ctrl S or File, Save. Run the tool by using Python command. The Lifesmart result should go in the data.yaml. Open the file and copy the result and paste it in configuration.yaml. Save, Ctrl S to save configuration.yaml. Finally, we copy the Lifesmart folder from temp to custom components using copy command. And restart Home Assistant now. Now, after Home Assistant restart, I can check if Lifesmart integration is working. Go Settings, Device and Services, Entities. I can see Lifesmart integration. I can turn on the Lifesmart switch and turn it off. If you have a smart IR controller, spot or mini spot, you can send IR key inside Home Assistant. Go to Developer Tools, Services, Lifesmart, Send Keys. Go to YAML mode, fill in example data, and fill in data according to the IR blaster information you have. Obtain the information from status, and you can find IR blaster here. I will copy me and paste it inside here, inside double quotes, and copy agit, AI, I will leave category and brand as custom and custom. I will change key with key names. In my example, I will turn on my AC with this key name. Write in the same format without any space. Double quote, open square bracket, backslash, double quote, and key names. And backslash, double quote, close square brackets, and double quote. Finally, we can call this service. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.